Oh, hello, summer. If you want to see how did I did this look, keep on watching. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello, everyone. Sorry. I can't believe it's summer. Yes, I can't believe that I'm going to do summer look tutorials. Yes. June is the start of summer. I think it's June 21st, something. So I know this video is gonna be live on June, so happy summer, guys. So for today I will do, like I said, the summer look. And yeah, so before I'm gonna start, I think I have someone here, our friends here. It feels like I'm not straight or something, so I don't know. I have someone ask about this chair. This is Vansel, and this is not my chair. This is my husband's office chair, and this is his space here. I'm just invading it. So without further ado, let's start our summer tutorials. And I have few products here that it's my first time that I'm gonna use, so I don't know if they're gonna be okay or not, so I will tell you which ones. So let's start. Oh, hello. For today we're gonna use Alamar, and we're gonna have a simple look because, you know, summer, it's gonna be like maybe I'm gonna try to be a little bit colorful, but it's just simple look, you know, because it's hot outside. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. we are ready for our foundation, and today we gonna use the Perricone MD, and this is the first no makeup foundation serum, broad spectrum, SPF 20, so this is good for outside, but this is the first time I'm gonna use this foundation. So but it says no makeup foundation, so we'll see. And the color is a golden medium war. That's my color, so I hope I love this. So I'm gonna open this, and oh, it has the drops, and I hope the color is match on me. So it's the one, and it's good because I can see it that it has expiration here next year, but we'll see. So let's try this. It's watery, so I don't think it's what is this, thick foundation, but it says you can, what is this, you can blendable, so semi matte coverage is semi matte coverage that visible, reduce a dark spot and an even skin tone over time. So let's try this. This is good. I love this one like this because it means you can share your foundation. Oh wow, it has strong smell. It's like alcohol smell. Like I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's very light coverage. So I'm gonna blend and maybe put more. So I'll be back. So I already blend the foundation. What do you think, guys? I know it looks like it's not bad. It's very lightweight foundation. It's just the smell. It has a smell that's very strong because my nose is so sensitive. But I was looking at my mirror like now, and it's not bad. It's sheer, it's medium coverage, and yeah, I think it's not bad. We'll see. Let me put my concealer, and so we can set our foundation, and I'm gonna use Kokie Bright foundation, and yeah. And to set our foundation, we have a new foundation, and this is the first time I'm gonna use this Cover FX, and medium color is medium, perfect pressed powder, and this is the first time I'm gonna use this one. So yeah, this is the first time I'm gonna use Cover FX. So come on. Oh, doesn't have a smell. So that's the color, medium. We're not gonna bake today because why not? Just kidding. I just want like light makeup in the summer because it's very dry in here in Colorado. It's not. Let me use my beauty blender. It's very dry here in Colorado. It's not humid, so yeah, not bad. Oh, I should not put that under my eye, but whatever. What do you think? I think I like the combo. Oh, hello, white hair. White hair don't care. Soon, maybe I'm gonna cut my hair. Oh, not me, but I'm going to salon. So, yeah. To have, I'm sorry, my nose like. To have a little glow, I'm gonna use Hourglass. I'm sorry, like Hourglass, ambient, ambient, radiant, and cell light, down light, whatever is not light. So this is the color. So I'm gonna use the one in the middle. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this and this one to have like a little glow. We need a glow because it's dry. It's dry. This is not highlight. It's just like have a little glow in your face. This is like finishing powder. Because I want like a little glow. Why not? I want to be glowy. Look like happy. So yeah, you can see like it has like a share now. See? Why Hourglass? Why you're expensive? So we have the glow. And we are ready for our, what is this, for our bronzer. And I'm gonna use Ofra Americano. And I am looking for my brushes. So if you see my what is that, intro video, I don't wear blushes in there. I just use this Americano by Ofra, and I'm not gonna precise that. I'm just gonna have a little glow. Just pretend that we're outside, that we have sunlight. Okay, I already put my blush on and I use this. This is a palette from Ofra also. Madisson Miller by Ofra, and I already put the blush. I use the blush, and for highlights, I'm gonna use these two highlights combined. I love Ofra. Let me finish my eyes, and I will put this Aurora and espresso. This is brown eyeliner. I'm gonna put that in my eyes. Then I'm not gonna put any eyelashes. I'm just gonna use my Too Faced better than six mascara, and I'll be back. And this is our final look for our summer. Sorry, I have to like This is our final look for our summer. So I put the green color in here, the cilia here, and I put that in my lower eyelashes. And for my lips, I use Becca and W Crimson, so it's like bright orange. And yeah, this is our summer look. And it's so weird because here in Colorado is always raining and always cloudy, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe we have extra rain this year, so it means we're gonna have a lot of snow in the winter. I don't know about that. So what do you think, guys, of my overall summer look? I don't know where I'm going, but thank you for watching my video, my tutorials. Okay, and yeah, it's almost 1 year and here in YouTube, and I think I'm gonna do special video for my 1 year, and maybe I'm gonna drag my husband to do it with me. So yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope and pray that you are good, that you are healthy. I know there's another crazy going on here in the US, you know what I mean. So yeah, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.